Well, Dark Knight, it seems you have earned the right to die at my mechanical hands. But let us be clear, we do not meet as equals. In fact, you literally have not a hope of victory. Oh, I wish I could say that I have found this one-sided rivalry of ours intellectually stimulating, but in truth, I grew bored of you long ago. Killing you here will finally liberate me to engage in more edifying pursuits. Goodbye, detective. You will be neither missed nor remembered. Hard for you. Which color do you prefer? Riddle me this. What's mechanical, homicidal, and red all over? You are bested. And you are mine. Not like you have half a brain.
Sorry, Eddie, but it looks like you're cheating to me.
No! What are you doing here? This is not your white cat.
Eddie, sweetie, you invited me, remember? And then you tied me to a chair.
You didn't have to come.
And you act like I'm useful. Ready?
You left me outwitted. Prepare to be outbeaten. I'll atomize you. Solved all my riddles. Get up, you damn machines! Can't think and hit at the same time. This color suits you better.
About time.
So many riddles! There's no way you solve them all!
Wanna help?
You failed, detective! How did you do it? How did you solve them all?
Now!
Arise, my pretties! No, no, my plan! My plan! Let's fix things up! Diddle, diddle, answer
You
is
spoiled.
You shouldn't be here! You shouldn't have got this far! Too hard for you? Time for a change!
Don't feel left out.
Can you keep up? Nope. Try again. Now color me triumph.
Be my guest.
You cheated! I will forcibly extract confession. You shall be acted! You shouldn't be here! You shouldn't have got this far!
Here you go.
Prepare for disintegration! I cannot be beaten! Keeping up? I'll atomize you! Wrong! Solved all my riddles? How? Can you keep up?
Be my guest.
evils! The way you solve them all! It was perfect! My perfect victory! You cheated! I will forcibly extract a confession!
Smash it! Keep them coming! Don't feel left out.
Let's fix things up! How did you do it? How did you solve them all?
This one's for you, Eddie.
Diddle diddle! My robots are indestructible!
Thanks, Selena, for the daring last-minute rescue. It was very heroic.
It was under control.
Sure it was. Now be a good damsel and bestow a kiss on your gallant hero.
Play nice.
You're not playing at all.
No, I'm not. Not anymore.
And what's that supposed to mean?
It means this is the end, Selena. It means we can't. I can't.
I will see you again, right?
No one will. Gotham needs something more, something worse to defend her. She needs a new myth. A legend more powerful than I can be right now. A legend that can only rise from the ashes of the Batman.
Some things you can't do alone, Bruce.
And some things you have to.
Call if you need me.
I won't.
I know. I just wanted to say it.
Where am I? What's happening to me?
You're a smart man, Edward. I'm sure you'll figure it out.
No, no. You cheated. Catwoman cheated. She stole my victory from me.
A fight I couldn't win? That doesn't even fit your definition of playing fair.
It was fair. If you weren't able to bypass the robot's multi-layer encryption, decipher their unique operating system, and reprogram them mid-battle, that doesn't mean you get to call in assistance.
You need help, lmao.
I never need help with anything!
Out you go, Enigma.
Ha! I could have brought me here twice as quickly.
Well, riddle me this. Was Green proud and ass kicked all over?
How exceedingly droll. I won't be needing a lawyer, you jumped-up security guard. I will represent myself. You forget, you bothersome bat. Every time you overcome my puzzles, I learn that little bit more about you. Soon enough, there will be a riddle that leaves you dead. Do you even understand
Alfred,
the numerous
the city's
chemical
safe.
processes that
Excellent
occur
work,
during
sir.
combustion?
Gotham's villainous contingent has been brought to task yet again. You should be immensely proud of your achievements. The city is forever in your debt.
It's time for nightfall.
Everything is in place, sir. The Batwing is on its way to the GCPD rendezvous point.
What happened at the asylum doesn't matter. You're Batman to me.